Your water bill just jumped $40 and you have no idea why. There's no puddle, no wet spot, no dripping sound. But somewhere behind your walls, water could be quietly destroying your home right now. And by the time you see the damage, it's already too late. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how professionals find hidden leaks without swinging a single hammer. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'm about to walk you through the exact tools and tricks that can save you thousands in repair costs. If you've ever suspected a hidden leak in your home, this video could save you a fortune, so let's get into it. Why hidden leaks are more dangerous than you think. Most people assume a leak means a puddle on the floor. That's not how it usually works. Water finds the path of least resistance. It travels along pipes, seeps into insulation, and pools in places you'll never see until mold shows up or your ceiling starts sagging. In 2026, home insurance companies report that hidden water damage is now one of the top 3 most expensive claims filed, often costing homeowners between $2,000 and $10,000 in repairs when caught late. The scary part is that a slow leak can run for months before anyone notices. That's why catching it early isn't just smart, it's essential. Sign number 1: the water bill doesn't lie. Your water meter is the most honest witness in your house. Here's a simple trick. Turn off every faucet, appliance, and irrigation system in your home. Then go outside and check your water meter. Most meters have a small triangular or circular dial called a leak indicator. If that dial is spinning even slightly with everything off, you have a leak somewhere in your system. Write down the meter reading, wait 2 hours without using any water, then check it again. If the numbers moved, congratulations, you just confirmed a leak without touching a single wall. Sign number 2: listen to your home. This one sounds strange, but it works. Grab a plumber's stethoscope, or honestly even a long screwdriver works in a pinch. Press the tip against your walls, floor, or exposed pipes and put your ear to the handle. Running water inside a pipe makes a distinct hissing or rushing sound. Move along suspected areas like near bathrooms, kitchens, and utility rooms. In quiet areas of your home, especially late at night when everything else is silent, this method can pinpoint a leak location surprisingly well. Sign number 3: follow the musty smell. Mold and mildew love moisture, and they show up fast once water starts collecting somewhere it shouldn't. If a specific room or corner of your house suddenly smells musty or earthy for no obvious reason, that's a major red flag. Pull back baseboards if you can, check under sinks, and inspect any nearby cabinets. A persistent smell that won't go away with cleaning almost always points to trapped moisture behind a surface. Sign number 4: watch your floors and walls for subtle changes. Hidden leaks leave clues if you know where to look. Check for these signs. Discoloration or yellowish staining on drywall or ceilings. Paint that's bubbling, peeling, or has a slightly warped texture. Flooring that feels soft, warped, or unusually cool in one specific spot. Baseboards that look swollen or separated from the wall. These changes often happen gradually, so it helps to take photos of your walls and floors every few months. That way you can compare and catch subtle shifts before they become obvious damage. The thermal camera trick professionals use. Here's where 2026 technology makes this so much easier than it used to be. Thermal imaging cameras have become incredibly affordable, with decent handheld models now available for under $200, and several smartphone attachments doing the job for even less. Water changes the surface temperature of walls and floors as it evaporates or sits trapped inside material. When you scan a wall with a thermal camera, leaking areas often show up as a distinct cool patch compared to the surrounding surface. This is genuinely one of the fastest, most non-invasive ways to locate a leak without opening anything up. Smart leak sensors: the quiet game changer. If you want to catch a leak before it even becomes a problem, smart water sensors are worth every penny. These small battery-powered devices sit near appliances, under sinks, or behind toilets, and they send an instant alert to your phone the moment they detect moisture. Many newer models released this year also track humidity trends over time, which means they can flag a slow leak developing behind a wall long before visible damage appears. Placing just a handful of these sensors in high-risk areas like under the water heater behind the washing machine and near the dishwasher can give you real peace of mind. The moisture meter method. A moisture meter is another tool worth having, and it's incredibly simple to use. You just press the small pins or the flat sensor pad against drywall, wood, or flooring, and it gives you a moisture percentage reading instantly. Normal building materials usually read below 15% moisture. Anything significantly higher than that in a specific spot usually means water is present inside that material, even if the surface looks completely dry. Sweep the meter along baseboards, around windows, and near plumbing fixtures to narrow down the exact leak location. Checking your toilets, the silent culprits. Toilets are one of the most common sources of hidden water waste in any home. Here's a quick test. Add a few drops of food coloring to the tank, not the bowl, then wait about 10 minutes without flushing. If color appears in the bowl, water is leaking past the flapper valve into the bowl continuously, which can waste hundreds of gallons a month without you ever noticing a drop on the floor. When to call in the professionals. If you've tried these methods and you're still not confident about the leak's exact location, it's time to bring in a professional leak detection service. Modern plumbers now use acoustic sensors, tracer gas detection, and infrared cameras that can pinpoint a leak's location within inches, all without any demolition. Yes, it costs more upfront, somewhere between $200–600 depending on your area, but it's far cheaper than tearing open a wall in the wrong spot or letting the damage continue to spread. Quick recap before you go. Let's run through everything fast. Check your water meter with everything off. Listen for hissing sounds using a stethoscope or screwdriver. Follow musty smells to their source. Watch for discoloration, warping, and soft spots. Use a thermal camera to spot temperature differences. Install smart sensors in high-risk zones. Try a moisture meter for precise readings. And don't forget the food coloring test for your toilets. Hidden leaks are sneaky, but they're not invisible if you know what to look for. The tools we talked about today are more accessible than ever in 2026, and most homeowners can run through this entire checklist in a single afternoon. Catching a leak early doesn't just save you money, it protects the structural integrity of your entire home. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more practical home maintenance content, and drop a comment letting me know which method you're trying first. I'll see you in the next one.